Everybody, just thought I'd just post this on here to see if perhaps somebody can shed some light if they've come across it before or never noticed it before. Triumph Dolomite 1500 little electronic kit that I'm putting in. It's obviously in nice and easy, fits in, but as you can see from there, hopefully the wires actually touch the side of the actual new kit. That in itself is not a problem as long as nothing moves, but it does. Because if I simulate the vacuum advance, you can see what's going to happen. It was likely to rub through that over time. I don't believe it reroutes the other way because that's way too tight the other way to bend the wires back upon themselves like so. I'll be very surprised if it is. You can see how tight like that, and even if I do that, it actually touches it still anyway. That's the little kit I've got. Not sure if anybody else has come across that. Perhaps you shed some light, or even if I fitted it wrong, but as you can see from there, it will definitely rub that through in no time at all, I think. Thank you.